This was given to me by the seller for my consideration. Now I have really brittle nails, and this is a gel product that will help with strengthening my nails. Now this is Earl Grey color. I don't know why they call it Earl Grey. It's more of a neutral, natural sheen. And it also comes with a UV light. Now, the cord isn't very long for the UV light, so you can go ahead and plug it into a battery charger, and it works just fine. So it went on nice. It took some time to dry under the UV light. You know, you have to do both hands, and you have to make sure your thumbs get done. And just know that it will take some time to dry under the UV light. But once it was dry, I found that it was a beautiful finish. And for me, I know it says it's going to last like 6 days, but for me, this color is going to last weeks, because as it grows out, it's just going to look like your natural nail, because there is no heavy color stain.